Imagine three letters that are a copycat of each other, yet each sings a different note. Let's unveil their secrets. Assalamu alaikum, welcome back to Learn Quran. Today we add BT theft to your alphabet. Here is B, one dot below. Ba, ba, ba. The sound is made with the lips together. Now look at T, two dots above. Ta, ta, ta. That sound uses the tip of the tongue against the teeth ridge. Lastly, C, the, three dots above. Tha, tha, tha. The tongue rests between the teeth like the English eth in thin. Notice how the only difference is the pattern of dots. Ba is lonely, one dot below. Ta is together, two dots high. Tha is a trio, three dots above. Remember, shape stays the same. Dots decide the letter. First bait, slow, by T. Translation, house. Here B starts the word with a short A, then it ends with the T-ah sound. Second, tefel. Slow, teflal. Translation, fruit. Notice the ta is first with a long A. Third, thalatha. Slow, thalai, thalai. Translation, three. The th starts the word, followed by a long A. Fourth, burj. Slow, bu-rj. Translation, tower. Here the bay has a long U. Fifth, tat. Slow, tati. Translation, under. Ta again, but with a long A and a silent H. See how each letter keeps the same shape but gives a new sound? Practice them with the words. I say bay. You say bay. I say te. You say te. I say they. You say they. I say boo. You say boo. I say two. You say two. I say thu. You say thu. Great job. Each time you hear a dot pattern, let it guide you. Keep practicing. You just learned BT thith. The shape is the same. The dots decide the sound. Tomorrow we'll meet the letters that come from the throat. J, H, ek. Thank you for showing up. If you find this helpful, subscribe and keep practicing tonight.